Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Growth Leadership Hub Hall of Fame session. This is a success story of our mentees who have been probably doing a wonderful job in their career and applying the learning of the Growth Leadership Hub and achieving the phenomenal success in their careers as well. So today we have a Mohan Sama, and he has been working with us for the last 3 years in the background, and he is ready to share his success story with all of you. Welcome, Mohan, to the Hall of Fame session.
Thanks, Rakesh. Thanks for your time. I'm Mohan Sama. I'm working in aerospace industry. I have overall experience of 30 years, 20 years in aerospace industry. Right now, I'm working in a great player in India, aerospace company. During the COVID times, I was looking for, I was under pressure, and I was looking for some job change, or I was having a fear of losing the job actually, because it is COVID also, and I was searching in my public domain like Facebook or LinkedIn or this. I found a small interview, what you call. Ad kind of thing from Rakesh. I saw your ad and I listened to that for a few minutes, like maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I got yeah. So whatever Rakesh is speaking is true. The middle management guys are struggling to grow in career. Whatever I understand the things, and I by the words, the confidence levels in that 5 minutes in video, I got attracted, and there was a discount offer during that COVID period and joined for 2009. In fact, 1999. So immediately I joined that course. But due to the 6 day working schedule and other reasons, I could not attend much sessions of the camp. But after a period of around 1 year, and again I got a. But Rakesh, you used to send regularly that email communications. So I used to see the email communications, but not able to join the webinars or sessions. But during on that day, for some reason, I started my car. A pop-up came on my cell phone, and I clicked on it. And that I started, I put it on my desktop on my in my car, and I was listening to you about the new thing coming up. Executive Leadership Club is going to be started very soon, and I joined. And I remember very well that moment that I was driving for 45 minutes, and I was listening to you on a highway, and then. I reached home and I sat another 2 hours. That session went almost 8 to 11 kind of thing. So I listened end to end, and you announced that offer is there, that you will be getting a discounted price of this much if you join tonight by paying 15,000. So I paid and slept. Okay. So that was my decision. So, and after that, this session started on November 6th, 2021, and I was regularly attending the sessions and taking the notes and incorporating in day-to-day daily work. The first thing I did is SWOT analysis. What are my strengths, weaknesses, threats, opportunities? All these things I did. And I started working on the weaknesses. I started asking questions to you in the sessions and noting down the answers and incorporating. And forgiver also. I implemented forgiver because when I'm not, I was under pressure, I'm not getting, or others are not cooperating to get the things done, I used to easily get angry. But after incorporating forgiver, there's a lot of change it brought in me. And then your session happened on LinkedIn, how to update your LinkedIn profile. Where is the punch and video resume? So these are the things which we started within first 3 months itself. I have updated all these things, and I started getting calls.
Wow.
Within 3 months of first starting. So I started getting calls, and I approached you. I got big giant companies. I got calls, but due to various reasons, I could not crack the interviews. Later on, after about 8 months or 9 months, I cracked an interview, and then they offered. But you said that negotiation part is very important. So I was negotiating with that company, and I did not. Uh, I did not compromise on that part. So if I get this much, my worth is this much. If I get that much, only I can join you. That kind of thing I mentioned to them, and they said, okay, sorry, we don't have that much better. Then I said, all right, no problem. Then I was keep on trying different companies through LinkedIn. So I got an opportunity in my previous organization also. So then they offered me that amount, and then I thought, okay, it is in the same city, so I can move back and showcase my skill set over there. But when I resigned my current job, my boss called on the next day, and almost 1 hour he spoke to me, and he said, okay, what you are getting there, and I will pay you the same thing, and as well there is a new project coming up, and you will be sent on site for 8 months, 6 to 8 months. So Germany, the new project is coming from. You will be sent over there, and would you like to be with us? Then I said, okay, yeah. If you are giving me commitment, I'm okay with that. So he gave me commitment, and then after that I got promoted to next level. I've been given head of the department position in the tool engineering, and after that I got overall hike of 55% in the same company where I'm working. So same city, no change, no disturbance to family, no change, no disturbance to children also. So that's the achievement I would like to share with you. And thanks a lot and lot for your this thing for the mentorship. So the confidence level is has grown double or triple, I can say, because earlier I used to procrastinate the things I want to tell my boss or project to my boss, anything. I have a skill set, but I was procrastinating or little fear or shyness or something was there. But after the sessions, I got a lot of confidence in me. And if I feel I want to say X word to my boss, I just pick up the phone and tell him, boss, I'm thinking like that.
Excellent.
So that's the confidence level you gave me. And this ELC is a tremendous, awesome training we are getting, and it is invaluable. I can say you cannot measure in terms of money the value thing what I am getting. So what I said, the another success is I was sent to the project when I joined you. The project I was working on was under heavy pressure.
Yes.
So I handled it very well because of these all tools, soft tools you gave me, and that project is successful. And we shipped the product to US, and I was sent to along with the other two members was sent to that facility when this goes and fits on the aircraft. That is called fit check, and they sent us for witnessing the fit check. I witnessed it, and there was flawless of no small thing. The mechanic over there was telling that, sir, I am not seeing any difference between your product and the previous supplier product. That's the accuracy we achieved in that. So that's all comes from the trainings, the leadership, the level of leadership trainings we got, and we implemented on the floor actually.
True.
So then I was sent to Switzerland for another project for 1 week to negotiate with the customer for the tooling project. And we were successful and we got that project also. And this year I'm going to execute that project in next 8 to 9 months. And I'm going to be successful in that also. And apart from that, every year we have awards, annual awards in TASL level, company level. Around 10 subsidiaries or 10 companies within the group compete with each other. And in each company, we have 10 departments. So it will be 100. So the 100 groups will be fighting for 10 awards.
Wow.
So I have nominated my project for that award. With all the information I have put from our trainings, how to put it, first of all, how to project our capability, how to project our, showcase our ability in front of giant, like 10 companies into 10 groups, 100 thing. So I have nominated my project.
Excellent.
And also, I have projected my team members' skill set to my management in a very impressive manner. And I got 2 of them promoted to next level.
Very good.
So I'm not only projecting my skill set, I'm projecting the whole team's skill set in front of the management that yes, tooling is doing a great job, excellent job kind of thing. So this is about my success story. I'm very much thankful to you and ELC Club. It's giving me a lot of energy and a lot of knowledge, a lot of practical oriented knowledge, actually. So I'm looking forward to continue these sessions and take my level. Actually, when I made one of the session was like made a goal sheet with pictures. I
Yes.
made it. I made it, and I have a poster. That poster is with me. So on that day, 2022 January or February, the question was where you would like to see yourself in next 3 to 5 years. So my next 3 to 5 years goal is to become a general manager
Excellent.
and uh, and double the salary of as on today. Right now, my goal is, so I want to reach that level uh, with the help of this community. And the community is awesome. It's a really no words to say actually. So that much helpful is a lot. It helps every leader. I believe it helps every leader, every middle management leader who is aspiring to become an executive leader and occupy the top COX positions in the companies. Actually, I worked in the past experience. I worked in US as a design engineer for a
Mhm.
company from and to on-site, and I was there for 5 6 years. So the difference between US and India, what I noticed is they have leadership skills. We have only technical skills. So
Mm.
why America is progressing that and is number one in the world in economy or in everything? So my mind was thinking that time. So if we have great leaders in India, we can also become like US. We can
Absolutely.
also make India like US, number one like US, because here the lagness was I was noticing is the effective leadership. So that is being fulfilled by you in the form of ELC. Thank you very much. That was a clear lag I was seeing, clear point which was India lagging in behind. But when your goal is awesome goal, like million leaders or 5 million leaders you want to make in your career, like uh, so that's an awesome goal. I wish you all the success. I want to be part of one of those million leaders
Of course.
and
You are a
CXO.
part of it.
Yeah, yeah, that I want to be maybe next 10 years. I want to be a CXO of a company. So thank you very much,
Thank
Rakesh.
you very much for sharing your heart out. Most of the leaders actually who actually join from the manufacturing, they feel like growth is not there in the manufacturing, which is the general perception of the manufacturing leaders. And you come from the very niche industry of an aerospace, which is even more difficult aspect of it. And what you have done and what you have exemplified right now, Mohan, is that if you actually put your mind into it, if you are ready to actually take charge of your career, I'm sure everything is possible. And you have shown it. And you're not only actually doing it for yourself, you are doing it for your team as well. So you're empowering others as well, which is a
Yeah,
great sign. And that is the way we want to grow in this community as well, that human-centric leadership prevails into the corporate world. That's one. And second is the leaders become the world class. Like you actually exemplified my vision. My vision is to make the change maker who can take the Indian economy to the world level. That is the bigger vision that we all have. And the only leaders in the corporate can actually do that. And that is what we want to do that. Leaders and the entrepreneurs together can actually reach to the global economy kind of a thing. And what I like about you is the simplicity, humility that you have, right? Very simple, very humble when you're acknowledging. I remember your video when you have actually told that this guy that you won the project now, you shared that, yeah, we presented to this gentleman and they have called us in that place to actually present into the negotiation aspect of it. So well done, you have actually executed from end to end, which is the great sign. What I have also observed is over the period of time that you have grown in confidence. How I used to see Mohan in 2021 is different.
Yes. Yeah, really,
Yeah,
really.
you never used to show your face on the screen. You never used to speak. You never used to probably ask the
I was
question.
the last person to lift the hand.
So
Even-
that has changed. This is for me, it's a success, apart from your monetary success, of course. But for me, the person's transformation from realizing their potential and converting into the success, that is the more fulfilling for any coach and mentor. And those who are actually watching this recording, ELC, when he refers, it's an executive leaders club where we are actually building the world-class growth leaders who can take their market value to 1 CR plus. Plus, they become the high performance global leaders in their respective fields as well. That is what the vision we have as a community. And that's where we have created a very well gelled community today. More than 4,000 plus years of aggregated experience today in the room, in the
Yes.
ELC,
Yeah.
which is unparalleled in any space that you can find out. Okay. And I'm very happy to see Mohan, you growing that level.
I am
And
very happy to see that ELC founding member, like we were 17 or 18 members.
yes,
So I'm very fortunate to be in the first batch.
yes, absolutely. You got the best out of me, actually. And I am also lucky to have you guys to have that faith. Okay. And believe in me in that vision as well that we want to become a one class. So together, actually, we have created a wonderful community today. So I'm very happy and very, very proud. And I'm sure now that you have restarted your journey with us to be with us, I'm sure you will be probably getting the success to the next level. You have grown leaps and bounds, which I see. Now is the time for you to leverage your leadership to the next level. And as you
Yes.
say that your vision is very grand, becoming a CXO in your field, which is very much possible in today's world by just doing what you have been doing so far, which is improving you. So thank you very much for what you are doing. Wish you all the best, all the success that you have, and we want to continue to work towards that excellence part.
Thank you, Rakesh. Thank you very much.
All right, those who are watching this, I'm sure you must have been inspired by Mohan. Please share your couple of points which you have actually taken away from this Hall of Fame story. Every story that we are sharing with you is an inspiration for a lot of corporate leaders in the world. Okay, and every story has a certain elements of a personal transformation that I see. There is a community support, there is a coaching support, there is a learning, skills, mindset, strategy, everything put together. You are reaching to the next version of yourself, and that is what is so exciting about this journey. So if you're somebody who is looking for taking your journey to the next level, please check the link in the description somewhere and be in my next masterclass so that you can also learn how you can actually move to the next level. Till the time we come up with a new Hall of Fame session, please take care of yourself. God bless and keep shining.
Thank you.